Little here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest, George. Hi. This has been my best friend since I was like 0. Basically, we got a package. My mom didn't know what it was, so she wasn't giving it to me because she thought it was for her and just wasn't opening it a while ago. And it was from Niki DeMar. I was in her music video, Sad Holiday. I played Mini Niki. If you haven't gone and seen that yet, go check it out right there. And yeah, it was super fun. Niki is one of the sweetest girls I've ever met. And she gave me a lot of stuff from her knickknacks line. So in the box that my mom held onto was something very important to me, which was a gift from Niki. So it's a lot of jewelry from her knickknacks line. So make sure to go buy something from her knickknacks line if you like this stuff. It's so cute so far. I haven't opened anything, but like the packaging, I mean, come on, it's just, okay. Hey guys, we're back, and this is my friend Lexi. Just went down the street and got her because we are going to my friend's house together. So let's get started with the jewelry. So the packaging is so cute because it's called the Book of Spells, and it's like Charmed Collection, like volume 1 and stuff, and it pops open. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, how did you do that?
It goes open on the side.
I know, I thought you popped it open like that. It's like
a literal book.
Oh, okay.
Look at how cute this is.
That's so cute. It comes in a little, this one.
Oh.
Why are you so cute though? So you open
Sarah,
it.
it's a chain.
I wore
Sarah
that in the
loves
video.
chains.
I love chains. I wore that in the video. Aww. It's so cute. Oh my god, it says knickknacks on it. Okay, so this is the necklace that I opened and it's so cute. It's like barbed wire. Okay, so hey guys, up close and personal. Am I gonna break that? Okay, so look it. It's like barbed wire. It's so cute. And then this big chain. So cute. Okay. And then and then these earrings. It's hard to get out of here, so. But look it. It's like the e-girl. All reminds me of Sabrina the Witch, which is one of my favorite shows. Okay.
Oh, these are like little moons. Look.
Oh
That's so
my
pretty.
god. Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
Open another.
Yeah, open another one. Another one.
This is so cute.
Oh. Oh my god, it says boo.
This is so cute. It says boo on it. It's shaking.
Okay, so here's. Oh
I don't know how to
my
get this
god.
one
This
out.
will match with the earrings. Okay, so this will match with the earrings.
I like this one. This one's cute.
Okay, so this is another line, but it's still her line, but it's just like a different kind of thing, you know? So
Oh my
it's
God,
called.
this is-
Oh, so when you open it,
This is so
Oh, should I
it's
open
got
the
like a
gold one
gold
first?
bag. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So it's got like a little bag that kind of looks like money.
Oh my god. Oh.
These are so pretty.
Oh
What
my
the heck?
Gosh.
Okay, wait. I don't know
Wait,
how I'm
look at-
supposed to.
I'm trying to untangle this.
Okay, so it came with these earrings. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. And they're like dangly stars.
Look at these earrings.
I don't know if this is.
Wait, where's this?
So these are the gold version of what Lexi just showed. And it's super.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, and there's the matching necklace.
Oh
so
my
I'm
God.
guessing this one's probably the matching necklace in silver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
These are all super cute. I can't with these. Okay, so I'm assuming this is a necklace to
The
silver.
matching necklace, yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at how pretty.
So
Yeah, Chase, they are supposed to be like that. Boom!
Wow, that's perfect.
Look at how pretty. And on the back, it has NN. Okay, so on the back of all the jewelry, it says NN, which stands for knickknack. Thank you so much, Niki, if you are watching this video. You are the sweetest girl I have ever met in my entire life, and literally every single. I'm kidding. Literally every single one of these pieces of jewelry. Wait.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, they are all so cute, and I can't wait to wear them all because I honestly don't have a lot of jewelry anymore because like all the jewelry that I have has like Hello Kitty on it. It's just not really the vibe anymore. So this will definitely come in handy, and I can't even decide what my favorite piece is because everything is so cute.
Like, and they're like all like stuff that you haven't seen before.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I haven't seen like any of this like in any stores.
Yeah, and like the designs.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Oh, the packaging is really cute.
I know.
I love the book.
Book of Spells. I do too. And on the side it says Wait, is that a V? Yeah, Volume 1.
Yeah, it looks like an H.
What if we made up? Wait, look at.
Are there different volumes?
No, they're all the same volume. But look at, it's like a whole like
Bookshelf.
books. Look at that. The Book of Knick-Knack.
Good job,
The
Sarah.
Book of Knick-Knack. Thank you so much, Niki. Shout out to Niki. Go follow her right here, Niki DeMar. She's the sweetest girl I've ever met in my entire life. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go check out Knickknacks because you will definitely find something you like there. I promise you that. So, love you guys so much and bye.